Alright guys, I'm gonna do a really boring vlog today, just because I want to. And I have not... I don't really have earrings on. Okay, this is awkward. This does not look right for a pancake. This looks scary. Look at the texture of my mix. I don't know if this is right or wrong. Look at the... Oh no. This is me begging for ramen from my lunch, by the way. I'm just gonna have to leave it here in case my mom says no. The weirdest pancake I've ever seen in my life. Like, look how gooey and one side it is. Like, it looks like a wrap. It's so weird. Fidget? I have loads. There's girls fidget hall for the girlies. Oh God. Okay, now, which one? Which one?
Right, so...
That's okay. Rate the fidget, Ava.
Hey guys, so this is rate the fidget. I rate this one a 6 out of 10.
You don't like it? I like it.
It's just a bit like, it's not satisfying me enough.
Okay, how's this?
I love this one. This one's my favourite, I think.
This is the best segment, yeah? Go on.
Yeah. This is kind of growing on me actually. But it's beyond me where you buy these things.
Pennies.
And then I have my fidget ring with me today.
This is an investment.
Mr. Manning does not support fidget using. He claims that we don't need them, but I feel like
He doesn't get
it's
it.
very important for us to
Have a fidget.
stabilise. Yeah. But anyways.
That was great. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, I'm leaving with my phone to film with a vlog. With a vlog.
Why is she doing a vlog?
Why not?
Film the mysterious stuff.
There's a really weird substance on the table and it smells like fire. It smells like shit.
I can't eat, sleep, or breathe, or feel anything. Yeah, it's true.
Like it actually smells so fucking bad.
Do we video what it is already?
No, no one knows what it is.
Mysterious liquid.
When Ava literally said she loves me and I said thank you.
No!
Hey also, I just got Reese's, some extra space in my package, and the regular Reese's. And actually, I just like how you but look, so like, we need for content. I need yours.
We're doing a fidget to it.
This is the first one. Let's try it. Rate it. We're gonna rate it.
Wait, when are you?
When are you? You probably should do like a. Oh, I have to do I'm wearing it today.
This is good.
I love it. I'm gonna give this. Okay. This is 7, 8, 9. And yeah, that's it. Bye guys.
It was a popsicle.
Let me get up a video of Curtis.
Guys, we're talking about Curtis. Okay, I can't zoom in.
Okay. Where's the video of Curtis?
Let's all watch Curtis. We like Curtis. Let's look around. This is the guy. Look at Sophie. This is everybody gathered around for lunchtime. And I'm gonna go.
Okay. Oh, it's filming. Too much stuff. Training. Tell me something. I'm embarrassed.
We're ready to go home. My dad's watching me film the vlog. I would say
My
new
mom's watching.
I would say new low, but it really isn't. It really is.
Here's something. Oh.
Okay.